What's going on YouTube? This is Mr. Sports Pack here with another video. If you're new to the channel, just hit that subscribe button, hit the like and comment, and let's get started. Today we got the Boombox Platinum Basketball for the month of February. Last month was okay, but I feel like this month we should get lucky with an auto or something big. So, let's hope for something good. This can be purchased on the website, the original Boombox. All the information will be in the description box. Price of this platinum basketball was $140, I believe. They also have mid-end and elite, at different prices. So yeah, but let's get started. Okay, got a Denver's basketball. What we got. So again, we got February's Platinum Basketball 25-26 Topps Chrome Hobby, 25-26 Topps NBA Jumbo, 2 Topps NBA Hobbies. And like I said, the website, this can be purchased at the original boombox.com. And yeah, let's see what we get. So first up, we got the 35-point card holder. We got Topps 25-26, Bowman U 24-25, Topps 25-26, Topps Chrome 25-26, NBA Hoops 23-24, and the Jumbo Topps 25-26. I was also given another Donruss 23-24 basketball pack, so we're gonna incorporate that into the video. Alright, so I don't know, start with Chrome, then Hoops, then Bowman. Yeah. So let's get started. So right now, currently, I think we're at about 37 subscribers. Let's try to get the goal, maybe 100 subscribers by the summertime. Let's just try for that. Definitely will be consistent more with the videos. Been kind of busy lately, so yeah. So first up, we got Emmanuel Quickly, the rookie Jace Richardson, got Harrison Barnes. What is this? Chrome. Okay, not bad. And lastly, we got Bobby Portis. So next up, we got NBA Hoops. In the comments, with the All-Star weekend coming up, let me know in the comments if you guys look forward to that. I'm not sure if the dunk contest is going down, but there's been a lot of talk about that. But I don't know. My favorite contest must be like the 3-point contest. That was my favorite one out of all of them. So let me know what you look forward to for All-Star weekend. We got Donovan Mitchell Robinson, Josh Green, Duncan Robinson, Onyeka Onwuekwu, Draymond Green, the rookie Derek Lively, not sure if he's back from injury for the Mavericks, but yeah, he was definitely a great player. Got Jason Tatum. Next up, we got Bowman U Chrome. We got Jeremy Fears from Michigan State. Xavier Booker. We got a Billy Richmond refractor. It's like a blue hollow. It's pretty dope. And lastly, we got Aiden Sherrill. Alright, Topps basketball. I've learned with Topps, it's pretty hard to get elite inserts of your favorite rookies or quality superstars. It's very rare to get like autos, or I haven't gotten one yet, so I'm just trying to say it's very hard to get these types of cards. So Danny Wolf rookie, Nolan Traw, the rookie Young Henson, Ryan Dunn, Marcus Sasser, Devin Booker. We got his card. A numbered Mike Conley, 397 out of 2025. Okay, not bad. You got the rookie Common Mollywalk, Kawhi Leonard, Kelly Oubre, and Draymond Green. We're going with another Topps. We got Rick Barry, Spud Webb, the rookie Will Riley, Joan Behringer, VJ Edgecombe. Can't go wrong with BJ. Definitely would wanted him to be in a dunk contest. This guy got hops. He can play. He's a great player to watch. Fun player to watch. Malik Beasley, Dalton Connect. We got Giannis Zaire Williams, Atlanta Hawks. We got Obi Toppin and Grayson Allen. I don't know. 2 packs left. Not too pleased with things so far. First up, we got Kyle Lowry, Brandon Ingram, LaMelo, Spencer Dinwiddie, Derek White, Draymond, Bradley Beal, Ocha Agbaji, Blake Wesley, RJ Barrett, Jordan Clarkson, Andrew Wiggins, Markelle Fultz. We got OG, Buddy Hield, Paul George, Mark Williams, Caleb Martin, Jamal Murray, the rookie Julian Phillips, Hunter Tyson rookie, Scoot Henderson rookie, James Najee rookie, got Grady rookie, Devin Vassell, press proof. Brandon Projemski, rated rookie. Trey Young, crunch time. We got a School Henderson retro series. Unleashed, Kevin Durant. And lastly, we got press proof Net Marvels LaMelo Ball. Okay. Press proof. Alright, we're down to our last pack. Tops 25-26, the jumbo pack. If you're new to the channel, just hit that subscribe button. We're coming back with more videos on a daily basis, hopefully. So let's see what we got here. Alright, so first up we got Jaden Ivey, Jared Vanderbilt, Emmanuel Quickly, Kawhi, Kelly Oubre, we got Draymond Green, Jared McCain, who's been traded to OKC, Kyle Filipowski, Zaire Williams, got Kaysen Wallace, we got Pelicans, got Oso Ikadaro, Desmond Bain, we got Isaiah Joe, PJ Washington, the rookie Ace Bailey for Utah. Ace Bailey. Okay. We got the rookie Zion James. Rookie Jameer Watkins. We got Magic Johnson. Vintage photo. Peyton Watson. Miles McBride, the rookie Noah Penda, the rookie Brooks Bornheiser, we got CJ McCollum, stars of the NBA, CJ McCollum, we got Dwayne Wade, Tops 45 anniversary. Okay. We got Walter Clayton auto. Rookie auto. I believe he just got traded also, if I'm not mistaken. Contemporary Marks, rookie auto, Walter Clayton. Dope. He's a pretty good point guard. Seen him play a few times. Next up, we got Russell Westbrook. I believe this is a MVP vote. Yeah. MVP vote. Russell Westbrook. Next up, we got, what is this? We got the Minnesota Timberwolves. It's like a shimmer. Okay. Next up, we got Chet Holmgren. We got Memphis Grizzlies, OG Anunoby. We got Denny Avdija, Jonathan Mogbo, Quinton Post, Ron Holland II. We got Bronny James, Brooke Lopez, Kyrie Irving, Miles Bridges, and lastly, we got Terry Eason. So, for the month of February, it was okay. I mean, we got quite a few rookies, but the highlight of this box was definitely the Walter Clayton. Definitely would keep this in the collection. Yeah, so let me know what you think of the video. Let me know what you want to see next in other videos. I'm Mr. Sports Fact, and again, if you're new to the channel, just subscribe, and we'll be back next time. All right, peace.